Are you tired of bad looking welds that don't meet your expectations? With the Weldbuddy from Northern Sweden Welding, you can now be the welder you deserve to be.
And it comes with several built-in flaws and errors that will ensure a very consistent result. And while it's doing the welding for you, you will have some time for other things, like an output, for example. The rod angle lets you adjust the travel speed. The flatter the angle, the faster you will weld. And the opposite with a steep angle.
And if you don't think the 4mm rod does the job, you can always step it up with the Mechanised 22 6mm. And for this slightly bigger rods, some adjustments for the Weldbuddy is necessary. But that's okay, because you see we have in this package it's included a drill to do just those adjustments. And for the 4mm rod we used about 180 amps. Since we are using a bigger rod now, we have to crank it up. And we're maxed out, so that is what we got today. And as you can see, another perfect result from the Weldbuddy. And if you want to order, you just have to share, like and subscribe. And you got one in your mailbox in a while. Have a great day.